Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we'll be featuring the Britax One4Life Clicktight Plus car seat. It's an all-in-one seat, which means that you can use it from newborn up until your child doesn't need to be in a seat anymore. And we're going to start by going over some of the aesthetic features. It has 2 dishwasher-safe cup holders to keep drinks and snacks within your child's reach. They twist out for easy cleaning. It has a 9-position quick push recline to make sure that your child is comfortable. Adjust it by pushing the red button in the base and taking note of the bubble indicator for your child's weight. It also has a 15-position quick adjust harness and headrest. This assures that your child fits in the seat properly as they grow. The fabric is safe to machine wash and dry, and they're made of naturally flame retardant knit. Next, we're going to go over the safety features that are included. It has an industrial strength steel frame plus 2 layers of side impact protection. Its energy absorbing shell and foam lined headrest protect your child's head, neck, and torso. Their patented safe cell technology creates a crumple zone in the car seat base that helps absorb crash energy. It has built-in cooling channels and ventilated mesh to improve airflow. It has a V-shaped rear tether to help slow and reduce forward movement during a crash. Now we're going to go over the installation process. Rear facing you can use from 5 to 50 pounds, and you can use either the latch or the seatbelt, so we're going to show you both ways. For installation using the vehicle seatbelt, start by placing the One4Life onto the vehicle seat and adjust the recline appropriately. Open up the Clicktight door by squeezing the release buttons under the front cover flap and lifting it to open. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path marked by blue labels, making sure it's not twisted. Pull out enough slack to close the Clicktight door until it locks. Ensure that both red Clicktight release buttons are visible. Check your installation, making sure that it doesn't move more than 1 inch front to back or side to side. To use latch method instead, just be aware that there is a weight limit of 30 pounds. Begin by opening up the Clicktight door, open up the storage compartment and remove the lower anchor connectors. Extend the strap as needed. Place the car seat on the vehicle seat and adjust the recline as necessary. Slide the lower connector strap into the rear-facing belt path marked by blue labels. Make sure it doesn't get twisted. Press the lower connectors onto their respective lower anchors. Pull out enough slack to close the Clicktight door over the lower connector strap. Ensure that both the red Clicktight release buttons are visible, and then check your installation. For forward-facing installation with the harness, your child should weigh between 22 to 65 pounds and be under 49 inches tall. Britax strongly recommends that you keep your child rear-facing until they exceed 50 pounds. To install with the seatbelt, which is the preferred method, begin by extending the tether strap on the back of the seat by unclipping it and lifting the adjuster. Place the car seat forward-facing on the vehicle seat and pull the tether strap around the vehicle headrest and over the seat back. Adjust the recline of the One4Life as needed. Open the Clicktight door by squeezing the release buttons under the front cover flap and lifting it to open. Route the vehicle seatbelt along the forward-facing belt path marked with green labels. Buckle the seatbelt and remove most of the slack, making sure the belt isn't twisted. Close the Clicktight door until it locks, ensuring that both Clicktight release buttons are visible. After checking your car seat manual for the location, attach the V-tether hook to your vehicle's anchor. Pull out the slack in the tether and use the attached elastic band to secure any excess webbing. Check your installation and make sure that your car seat does not move more than 1 inch. For latch installation in forward-facing mode, there's a weight limit of 35 pounds. You will follow the same process with placing the V-tether around the vehicle's headrest. Open up the Clicktight door to access the lower anchor connectors from the storage compartment. Extend the lower connector strap as needed. Route the lower anchors along the forward-facing belt path that is marked with those green labels. Press the lower connectors on each side into your vehicle seat's lower anchors, making sure that they click. Pull the end of the lower connector strap to remove slack, and then shut the Clicktight door until it locks. Ensure that both Clicktight release buttons are visible. Again, attach the V-tether hook to your anchor on your vehicle seat and pull out any slack in the strap. Secure extra strap webbing with the elastic band and check your installation. For children between 40 pounds and 120 pounds and between 44 to 63 inches, you'll use the One4Life in booster mode. That being said, Britax strongly recommends that you keep your child with the harness in forward-facing mode until they exceed the maximum height or weight allowed. For booster mode, you'll need to start by storing the harness away. Following the instruction in the One4Life manual, make the adjustments and tuck the harness strap inside the back and the base of the seat itself. Cover it all back up with the seat fabrics. Now start off by adjusting the child restraint to position B by pushing the red recline button on either side of the base. Extend the top tether strap by lifting on the top tether adjuster and place it up and over the seat back. Raise the headrest as needed. You may need to remove the vehicle headrest itself. Open the Clicktight door and the storage pocket inside of it. Remove the lower connectors and extend the lower connector strap as needed. Route the lower connector strap through the forward-facing belt path marked with the green labels. Attach the connectors into their respective lower anchors and make sure the connector strap is not twisted and remove any slack. Close the Clicktight door and ensure that both the Clicktight release buttons are visible. Again, attach the V-tether hook to the anchor on your vehicle seat and pull out any slack in the strap. Secure extra strap webbing with the elastic band and check your installation. Now route the seatbelt through the red belt guides both in the headrest and across the lap. Fasten the seatbelt and ensure that the shoulder part lays across the center of the child's chest, above the child's shoulder, and does not contact their neck. The lap part of the vehicle belt is routed low across the child's upper thighs. Overall, the One4Life is a great car seat for those who are just looking to be one and done. It goes from newborn all the way up until your child doesn't need to be in a car seat anymore, and the extra safety features and easy installation make it a really great choice for all parents. Thank you so much for watching. To shop this seat and all of our other Britax car seats, please visit us at babycubby.com, where all orders over $25 ship for free. To learn about another Britax seat that we carry, please click this link over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll see you next time.